Hi guys, I hope you have a great day. So if you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and for the others, welcome back to my channel. So right now I know I look a little bit like a caca. I'm gonna say it. I look like crap. I have my husband t-shirt and uh, a low bun that I just put on before to film this video. Yeah, sorry. Today's video is gonna be all about the Morphe 35M Bus Mode palette. So I tried the green shade like you see, because I'm gonna do this look. So I tried the green shade today and you're gonna see if it works well or not. But before to jump into this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content and me looking like crap. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say besides without further ado, let's jump into this. So I've just done my eyebrows with my L'Oreal pencil, Brow Stylist pencil, and put a little bit of concealer. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me all over my lids. I didn't set them, so I'm gonna use, like I said in my intro, my Morphe Ow. So first I'm gonna go with Express Yourself. So this green shade right here, and I'm just gonna pack this on my crease. So I didn't tell you, I just take a stroke of Lucky, so this green shade, and just put this a little bit over the other one, just for starting the blending process. And they are not powdery at all, so I don't have fallout. But that doesn't bother me because I do my eyes first. I will go a little bit more darker, tiny bit, with Nude. So this, I'm just gonna put this on my lids. I think I want to go do the other eyes and finish the center of my both eyes. So I'm gonna go in my negative space to put some shimmer because we want something there. So first I'm gonna go with Bold Move. I was gonna say Blood Move. So this green right here. And now I'm gonna go with the gold, who's called Pop Store. So this one right here. They are not popping as I expected. They are gorgeous, but if you want that super blinding effect, you're gonna work a little bit harder with this. So I'm gonna take Light of the Party. Light. Oh shit. I'm so bad with the name. So this one, because it's a little bit dark. And I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lids. This shade is so beautiful. It's more like a satin shade, so this will be so beautiful to highlight under your brows. I will take my Midnight Cowboy glitter from Decay and just put this on the center of my lids, but not too much, so I just rub off almost all glitter here. And just to put more dimension. So I'm gonna use my Tatcha Arm and Leg Seal Primer. I love using this technique because that way you're gonna not use too much. To that I'm gonna use the Backlight Priming Filter by Becca. So this is my first time to using that. So I'm gonna put this the eye points of my face. It's glowing but not too much. I love that. Oh, I love that stuff. You can put this all around your face. Oh yeah. I almost forgot my favorite product that I discovered in my last video, and this is the Becca, I'm so bad with the name, Under Eyes Brightening Corrector. Like I said in my last video, if you are having super dark circle that you just don't know what to do with them because you put concealer on, it's not working, you put a lot of concealer on and it's not working, just take this stuff, it works. So now for my foundation, I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir, and I'm not gonna mix that because right now I'm self-tan, so I just try the spray tan stuff, like going it professional and doing a spray tan. I love that, but my hands looks a little bit dirty right now, and my legs are so white. I don't know why, but the product didn't go under my knee. I'm gonna go with the Jouer Concealer. And for the rest of my face, I will go with the Maybelline Fit Me, just because it's a little bit more lightweight and my face doesn't look as cakey when I use this one. I don't know if I want to go with green under my eyes or if I want to go with the Mauve Plum shade. So now I'm just gonna powder all my things. I'm gonna go with the Fit Me powder in the shade 110 and just so now I'm gonna bronze my face with my Fenty bronzer in the shade Shady Biz, and I love this bronzer so much, and I love that it's not too pigmented, so it's more buildable. It's not like you put your brush on your face and boom, try to blend this bitch. So now I'm gonna remove all the baking. So this is an Essence long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Berry Mirror. In Mirror, I'm gonna go with the shade Power Slayer. So this one. I just don't have anything else on my brush and just blend this purple. I'm gonna take a little bit of Play It Cool, so the most lighter shade right here, just to be sure that I had something to blend on. So I just finished my eyes. I put mascara and falsie on. I'm gonna put some brows mascara right now. So now I'm gonna blush, and I'm gonna use my favorite blush of this time. So this is a Romantic Rose from Milani. I love this blush because it's go with everything, and the blush itself looks stunning with the rose. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go with this Kat Von D Amethyst palette, and I'm gonna go with Green Emerald. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna mix my Jouer Cosmetic in the shade Citrine and this How Many Carrots? Yeah. How Many Carrots in the shade Diamond Bomb by Fenty Beauty. Shit, that was... But first, I'm gonna spray my face. And now, I'm gonna take the Fenty one. And I'm gonna take my blush brush just to be sure everything is blended and not looking like Napolitan ice cream, you know? Chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Before to forget, I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I always forgot them. No, if you're gonna look on my Instagram, 9 times out of 10, I don't have any bottom lashes mascara because I just forgot them. So today I'm not. Even if I was struggling a lot in this video, I loving this look. It's like I said, it's a little bit like Hulk, but yeah. So now for my lips, I'm gonna go with a bright pink. No, I'm gonna go with a nude. So this is a Makeup Forever pencil. I think they don't sell this anymore. But I love that to overline my lips because it's almost the same shade as my lips. And now for my lips, I'm gonna use my trusty Nude Lost by Maybelline. So this is the Gloss Charming by CoverGirl. So that's it, guys, for the look today. I love this look, and the green in this palette works so well. And yeah, I cannot wait to try more of this palette because they had so many like different shades. So I cannot wait to try the orange shade and the more purple one. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this Hulk look that I just found out at the end that green and purple is the color of Hulk. Like, what are you thinking, Stephanie? I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.